Good morning all of you. I Razia Patan from ज्ञानविजय विद्यापीठ. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप सो आप लोग अपना रिवीजन और प्रॉपरली अच्छे से कर रहे होंगे. ठीक है. सो नाउ टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट. अभी हमारा जो रिवीजन लेक्चर चल रहा है, सो इन दैट अभी तक हम लोगों ने रिवीजन में क्वेश्चन नंबर हम लोग के यूनिट नंबर फर्स्ट कंप्लीट हो चुका है. ठीक है. उसमें वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स भी कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं. सब्ट्रैक्शंस के जो सम्स थे, एडिशन सम्स थे, वो सारे कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं. नाउ टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट यूनिट नंबर सेकेंड. यूनिट नंबर सेकेंड में आज हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे मल्टीप्लीकेशंस विदाउट रीग्रुपिंग. ठीक है. मल्टीप्लीकेशंस के जो सम्स है वो विदाउट रीग्रुपिंग हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. सो इन दैट आप लोगों को क्या करना है, यहाँ से हम लोग जो रिवीजन के सम्स करेंगे वो भी आप लोगों को अपनी रफ बुक में या नोटबुक में लिखना है. एंड सेकेंड थिंग, आपको यही सारे सम्स आप लोगों को मोर प्रैक्टिस के लिए आप लोगों को अदर सम्स भी करने हैं. ठीक है. सो लेट्स वी विल स्टार्ट रिवीजन यूनिट नंबर सेकेंड, multiplication without regrouping. Okay, so let's see that. So in that our first question is 540 into 20. 540 into 20 revision unit number second. ठीक है. Solve the following without regrouping sums. So in that 514 into 20, 514. Now see, we will start from 1. 0 ones are 0 zeros are 0, 0 fours are 0, 0 fives are 0. So now here is a 0. Now what we do, we have to put here cross mark because one's place is completed. That's the reason. Now 2 zeros are 0, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. So what we write here? 10. So now we have to do addition. अभी हमें क्या करना है? एडिशन करना है. 0 plus 0 as it is, we will write 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 8, 8, 0, 8 is it, and 1 as it is. So our answer is 10,800. Our answer is 10,800. Now next sum is 630 into 32. 630 into 32. So in that 630 into 32, we will start from the ones place. 2 threes are 6. 2 twos are 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So what we have to write here? 1226. After that, next here in a one place we will put here 0. We will start from the tens place. 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18. 6 as it is. 2 plus 9. 2 on your mind, 9 on your finger. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 is here now. 2 on your mind. 2 on my mind. May now count it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what we have to write here? 1 and 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 2. 1 on your mind, 2 on your finger. 1 after 3, 4. 1 after 2, 3. 3 on your mind, 3 on your finger. 3 after 4, 5, 6. So what we have to write here? 6. 1 plus 8. 1 on your mind, 8 on your finger. 1 after 2, 3. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what we have to write here? 9 and 1 as it is. So our answer is 19,660. Now look at both the sums and write it down in your notebook. Now our next sum is 712 into 24, 712 into 24. So in that we will start from the one place. 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 7s are 28. Okay. So our answer is in the first one 2848. Now cross it out in one place. We will start from this tens place. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. Now 8 plus 8 as it is, 4 plus 4, 4 on your mind, 4 on your finger, 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8. So what we have to write here? 8. 8 plus 2, 8 on your mind, 2 on your finger, 8 after 9, 10. So we have to write here 10, 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 4, 3 on your mind, 4 on your finger, 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7. So what we have to write here? 7, 1 as it is. So our answer is 17,088. Now next sum is a 4023 into 33. So in that 4023 into 33, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 zeros are 0, 3 4s are 12. Cross it out in one place. After that 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 zeros are 0, 3 4s are 12. 9 into 9 is it? 6 plus 9, 6 on your mind, 9 on your finger, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, 40, 50. So we have to write here 5, 1 is a carryover, 1 plus 6, 1 on your mind, 6 on your finger, 1 after 7, 8, 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what we have to write here? 7. 2 plus 0, 2 is 8 as it is. 2, 1 plus 2, 1 on your mind, 2 on your finger, 1 after 2, 3. So what we have to write here? 3 and 1 as it is. So our answer is 1,32,759. Now look at both the sums and write it down in your notebook. Next, 5,134 into 12. 5,134 into 12. So in that ones की place we will start from the ones place. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Now cross it out in one place. 1 4s are 4, 1 3s are 3, 1 5s are 1 1s are 1, 1 5s are 5. 8 plus 8 is it is 6 plus 4. 6 on your mind, 4 on your finger, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. So what we have to write here? Write it here 0. 1 is a carryover. Now 1 plus 2. 1 on your mind, 2 on your finger, 1 after 3, 4. 1 after 2, 3, 3 on your mind, 3 on your finger, 3 after 4, 5, 6. So what we have to write here? 6. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 5, 1 on your mind, 5 on your finger, 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what we have to write here? 6. After that 1,902 into 34. So in that 4 2s are 8, 4 zeros are 0, 4 9s are 36, Write it here 6. 3 is a carryover. 4 ones are 4. 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. 4 on your mind, 3 on your finger. 4 after 5, 6, 7. So what we have to write here? 7. Cross it out in one place. 2 threes are 6. 2 zeros are 0. 2 nines are 27. 2 is a carryover. 2 ones are 2. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 8 as it is. 0 plus 6, 6. 6 plus 0, 6. 7 plus 7. 7 on your mind, 7 on your finger. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Write it here 4. 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 5, 6. So write it here 6. So our answer is 64,688. Now look at both the sums and write it down in your notebook. Now our next sum is 634 into 222. So in that we will start from the ones place. 2 fours are 8. 2 threes are 6. 2 6 are 12. Cross it out one place. Start from the tens place. 2 fours are 8. 2 threes are 6. 2 6 are 12. Now again cross it out ones and tens place. 2 fours are 8. 2 threes are 6. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. Now plus. अभी हम क्या करेंगे? What we have to do? Plus करना है. 8 plus 8 as it is. 6 plus 8. 6 on your mind, 8 on your finger. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what we have to write here? 4. 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 6. 3 on your mind, 6 on your fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 on your mind, 8 on your finger. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So what we have to write here? Write it here 7. 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 6. 4 on your mind, 6 on your finger. 4 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So write it here 0. 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2. 2 on your mind, 2 on your finger. 2 after 3, 4. So what we have to write here? 4. 1 as it is. So our answer is 1,14,778. Now next sum. Next sum is a 730 into 233. So in that वंस की प्लेस पे हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. 3 1s are 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. 3 7s are 21. Cross it out ones place. After that 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. 3 7s are 21. Cross it out ones and tens place. After that 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 2 1s are 2. 2 7s are 40. Now we have to do plus. 9 as it is, 3 plus 9, 3 on your mind, 9 on your finger, 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So write it here 2, 1 is a carryover, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 3. 2 on your mind, 3 on your finger, 2 after 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 6, 5 on your mind, 6 on your finger, 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Write it here 1, 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 on your 4 plus 2, 4 on your mind, 2 on your finger, 4 after 5, 6. So what we have to write here? 6. 2 plus 4, 2 on your mind, 4 on your finger, 2 after 4, 4, 5, 6. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. So what we have to write here? 6. 1 as it is. So answer is 1,66,127. Look at these sums and write it down in your notebook. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम लोगों ने जो रिवीजन किया है वो कौन सा रिवीजन था? विच सम इज दैट? यूनिट नंबर 2 में हम लोगों ने मल्टीप्लिकेशन विदाउट रीग्रुपिंग सम्स की है। ठीक है, ये जो सम्स है वो आप लोगों को अपनी नोटबुक या रफ बुक में लिखना है और रिवीजन जैसे ही आप लोगों को कंप्लीट होता है तो होमवर्क आप लोगों को बिफोर 3 o'clock व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में हमें सबमिट करवाना है। सेकेंड थिंग, आप लोग अगर मोर प्रैक्टिस करना चाहो विदाउट रीग्रुपिंग सम्स की तो आप लोगों को क्या करना है? इन योर बुक वर्कशीट नंबर 9 एंड वर्कशीट नंबर 10 है यूनिट नंबर 2 में, वर्कशीट नंबर 9 एंड वर्कशीट नंबर 10, पेज नंबर 38 एंड 39, पेज नंबर 38 एंड 39 की जो आपके पेज नंबर है वो पेज नंबर पे जो सम्स है उसकी मोर प्रैक्टिस आप लोग कर सकते हो। जिससे क्या होगा कि आप जैसे ही प्रैक्टिस करते जाओगे तो वैसे ही आपका स्पीड है वो बढ़ेगा और आप लोगों को अच्छे से प्रॉपरली आप सम्स भी कर पाओगे। ठीक है, सो आज हमने जो रिवीजन किया वो आप लोगों को अपने नोटबुक में लिखना है और आइदर देयर राइट इन योर रफ बुक। रिवीजन जैसे ही कंप्लीट होता है, ठीक है, मल्टीप्लीकेशन विदाउट रीग्रुपिंग सम्स का रिवीजन जैसे ही कंप्लीट होता है आप लोगों को हमें व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में बिफोर 3 o'clock सबमिट करवाना है। ओके एवरीवन, और होमवर्क बिफोर 3 o'clock आप लोग हमें सबमिट करवाओगे। ओके एवरीवन, बाय, हैव अ नाइस डे।